What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn about how to build your first API key with the Anthropic API, which is also known as the Claude API. So right now, as you guys can see that I'm using one of the Claude API key, and I have just inserted like $5 inside of it to see that how it works. Just for the video purposes, so make sure you like, subscribe, and share. It will help me out. So over here, you will see that I used a key which is versatile that can go ahead and adapt according to whatever the call is. So whether it's about the Heku model, Sonnet model, or the Opus model, it will just optimize itself for that particular purposes. So you just have to navigate yourself to the API keys over here and then click on Create API. Once you have funded it, you can name it anything, and the expiration date will depend on you. And once you have added it, you will see the API key like this. Now you will see that I have added the funds. So in order to first use it, you just have to add the funds. Otherwise, it will give you error 400 of a bad billing issue. If the error is 401, it means that bad API call. If the error is 400, it means that there is a billing issue for that API. So yeah, that's how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.